This is lesson 156, number skills. Okay, let's look at the next slide. We have counting by fives and counting by tens. So we can use the same chart for both because this has 5, 10, 15, 20. But these are the tens. So we're going to do back and forth on these, and then we're going to do just the tens. So let's try that. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Awesome. So now let's do the tens. And when we do the tens, we go down to one column that has all the tens. If we were doing the columns, where we were doing the number columns, like the number houses, we would have the daddies going across the top. But this chart, we have them going down this way. Okay, are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome. Let's go to the next slide, and we're going to do adding. And I'm not sure we're going to do all of the cards we have here, but we have a lot of cards. Are you ready? 4 plus 1 more is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 1 more is 6. Ooh, there's 4 plus 1. This is same thing, only turned upside down. So 4 plus 1 is 1 plus 4 is 5. Both. 8 plus 0. 8. Are you beating me? 0 plus 5 is 0. No, it's 5. Remember, if you have 0 and you add 5 to it, you have 5. Okay, 7's a big number, so 1 more is 8. Very good. 2 plus 1 more. 3. 8 plus 2 more. You can count your fingers if you need to. 8, 9, 10. That was a big one. You can use 2 fingers up if you want to. 6, 7, 8. Remember, counting from this one. 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 1 more is 7. We can do the big number first. So 3, 4, 5. Oh, we got through all of those. Awesome. So I'm going to put all of those back where they were and go on to the next slide. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. We have 2 sides of a paper today. And so this is circle what comes next. Remember, put your name on all of these. Circle what comes next. Let's do this together. Are you ready? We've got some different pictures. We're going to choose either this one or this one. Whatever comes after the hummingbird. Okay? Here we go. Take a deep breath. Lamb, hummingbird, bug. Lamb, hummingbird. What would come next? The bug. That's right. So let's go down to the next row. And this is, we've got, oh, this is a little bit different because we've got 1, and then we've got 2, then we've got 1, and then we've got, okay, we'll go on. Okay, we have gray, brown, brown, gray, brown. Which one? Would it be the gray or the brown? Did you say the brown one? You would be right. Okay. I wanted to go down here with you. This is add or subtract. See where it says subtract? They first give you the add. Those are ones that you already are good at. Let's go down here because I really want to work with these with you, okay? Because these are takeaway. See the takeaway sign? That's called a minus. Okay, so I want you to hold up this many fingers. You got that many up? You got 5? Take one of them away. It's gone. How many more do you have? How many? So if you've got your paper, write it on there. Did you get 4? That's right. Now this one is 3. Hold up 3. Now this is to take away 3. How many do you have up there? You have 3. So how many are you going to take away? You're going to take away those 3. So do it. They're all gone. How do you write that? If you've got 3 and you took all 3 away, you have 0. Very good. Here we have 10. Hold up your 10 fingers. Take away 1. Another way you could do this is counting backwards. If you're counting backwards, 10, 9. So 10, you take away 1, it's 9. There you go. Now, the next part is before and after numbers. I forgot to put my chart, my green chart up here, but we can use the other chart here. I'll go back up there. So let's look at this. This is in the teen family. It's 19. So let's go to the chart and find the 19. And the teen would be in this. So we want to know what comes. Well, there it is, 1, 9. So what comes before and after? Do you see it? 18, 19, 20. So let's go back to our page. What goes here? What's in the teen family? So I'm going to put the 1, because we're counting down from 9. What comes before 9? 8. Okay, so we have 18, 19. Did you say 20? You guys were getting pretty good at counting, so I'm sure you're even better now. Let's look at the next one. What family is that in? I don't think we even need to go to the chart because that's in the 20 family. So it's not the biggest or the daddy of the 20 family. So we know both sides are going to be 20. So let's go ahead and put the 20 here, the 20 part. Now let's look at the second digit. It's an 8. If you have 8 and you take 1 away, it would be 7. I hope you're getting this before I do. So we have 2, 7, 2, 8. This one would be 2, what? 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9. Just, it's the same as counting. 27, 28, 29. All right, let's go to the next number. And it's a 56. What family is that in? It's in the 50 family, isn't it? And it's right smack dab in the middle. So we know both sides are going to be 50s. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 50 part in. That way I know I got that part. And then we look at the second digit. What comes before 6? Did you say 5? I hope. So 55, 56. This is going to be in the 50 family also. So here we go. 50, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I think you can do the rest of this side by yourself. I think you're getting it pretty good. I'm going to go to the back side. It's a fun with numbers. And it says count by 5s to connect the dots. So we're going to count all the way to 100 starting at 5. Are you ready? We're going to go over here by his ear. Are you ready for that? 5. What comes after 5 when we're counting by 5s? 5, 10. I'm going to go over here. What next? 15. And if you need to look at the chart over here, we've got 5, 10, 15, what? 20. Can you see it all right on there? And then there's, what comes after 20? 25. Then what? 30. Oops. That wasn't supposed to happen. I'm just going to move those aside. That wasn't even supposed to happen. Okay, so from 30 to 35 to 40 to 45 to 50. What comes after 50? Let's go up here. 50, and then there's 55. That I used to get mixed up on. 55, 60, 65, 70. Then what comes next? Did you say 75? Good for you. Then from 75 to 80. And then from 80 to 85. And from 85 to 90. And from 90 to 95. And then all the way back to 100. So what do you have here? You have a squirrel gathering up, looks like walnuts. So now you can color the picture if you'd like, but be sure to, let me get it this side, be sure and finish this bottom row and your addition problems here. Because we didn't quite get to those, all of them, and you're good at the addition. And these, if you need to, check your chart, your green chart. You can look at that too, just to check if you're not sure about it. Oops, I just hit my microphone. Sorry, I hope that didn't make a big noise. Okay, well, I think we're done, and we have science. So be sure and watch the science video, and I'm going to be putting on graduation videos, the practice for graduation, here in probably next week. So I will say goodbye, and I will talk to you in science.